how's it going? We are at the Connor's Car Show and I'm about to show you everything here. Holy crap. That thing is loud. Alright, so I hope you enjoy the show and I'm gonna get it all on camera for you. So we have the legendary Supra here, and this is actually pretty clean. I like the wheel. So cool. That looks hot. It's a truck lineup. Check out these beautiful trucks. They're really ultra clean and powerful on the inside, but on the outside, you really would never know. Man, look at that clean NSX. So we have an amazing Mach 1. Looks to be in pretty original condition. Wow, look at this. These are extremely rare. Or at least for me, I haven't seen any. Look at that purple color with the sun flaking on it. Wow. Looks really good. Supercharged. Someone got really fancy here. Wow. Just walking down the line. Okay, wait. These are nice. Seafoam and ultraviolet purple. We got an insanely fast looking truck. Check out all this inner mechanics. You can just walk under the car. Like literally under the car. This thing has speakers under the car. That's pretty wild. This is a size comparison for you.
Thanks, man.
It's kind of like macaroni on the McLarens. Kind of copy the color onto this truck. Looks pretty cool. Right over to this almost white, but kind of like gray hueish. Looks really good. Over to what appears to be a Bullet. Looks like we got one Bullet, two Bullet. That's a really neat shot to see them right next to each other. Here we got a beautiful Mustang Corvette. Look at that beauty. Here we got a aqueous vehicle. That is really neat. Very rare. Hey. And his friends. Hey. RB26 Turb skis in a Datsun. Man, that is probably the neatest thing ever. The creamsicle. It's a full out track car. Look at that wrap. Tell me what y'all think. Looks incredibly fast, but does it look good? Casual 488 here. A nice Viper. This thing is scary to drive, but really awesome to see. We got a spicy meatball here. Look at that. Interesting intake configuration here. And obviously your big exhaust. Classic. Very nice. Cool little lineup here. Especially that Trans Am Firebird looks ultra sick. Look at the engines. Some of these cars, it's actually ridiculous. Very nice lineup here.
Dodge Viper, cool little MG. Very bright orange with a. Just keep moving down the line. Some beautiful cars here. Some I've never seen before. That is cool. It's a cool little car. Shelby Cobra. Maverick. Beautiful.
I mean, simplest little thing, you don't fix it. Wow, there's
Wow. We got the Bullet here, 2019 Bullet, Scat Pack. It's a little interesting. Where'd the engine go? I can't see the engine. Whoa. Alfa Romeo with the McLaren chassis. Get into a car that especially intrigues me. That genuinely looks like a nice. All right, well, we got a legit helicopter here, just in the field. Peek in there. See anything cool? Wonder how much horsepower this has. Oh, that does look really radical though. Look at that. Big old engine back here. Whew. That shoots out a flame. Here we go. Just wonderful. We got the America. Oh, that is a really neat car here too. Chevrolet Blazer. Man, look at that. That'd be very fun to go off-roading in. We got ye old pickup truck. Cowhide seat. Already know what it is. GT350. Kind of.
Wow, wow, wow.
Check that out. It's cool, you can see through to the diff. That before. We got Hayden's car. Got the Mustang. Oh. Oh. Carbon fiber front mirrors here. See that? This looks beautiful. Looks amazing. Well, that's cool. There's a lot of good aesthetic to it. Shit. Yeah, I was about to freaking sock you in the face.
Pretty hard. I'm scared now because I deserve retaliation.
Yada. Ah, man, you got all the pizzazz in this thing. Jeez. Holy moly. Sponsored and everything. Good lord. That is sick. We got a Supra. Looking fantastically stock. So you come around here and wow. Whatever that is sounds good. It's my kind of rat rod right here. Look at this. That looks so cool. It's zip tied. That's how you do it, boys, with a zip tie. If you want to play limbo with cars, you pick this one. A lot of carbon fiber. Guys, best car in the show right here. Easily 100,000. That is ingenuity.
Thank you.
Whoa, a lot of camber, a lot of lowered. Heavily modified, but still heavily cool. That was neat. Look at that paint job. Beautiful. That's my kind of car. Oh, yes. 10 out of 10. Okay, let's see what parts they used. Oh, look at this.
What do you think about her?
It's crazy.
Well, a lot of the parts look familiar.
Wow. Woo! Thick. It's a thick girl. Z06. Woo! Wait, you got a Performante? Bullwhip's new whip. The Performante. Look at that. Wow. From park up front, pulling up Sean. Woo! Beautiful. Yo, how's it going?
Man, look at your hair, bro. How do you...
All right. Oh yeah. There you go. The last and final car I'm gonna record today. Beautiful looking Supra. One of the cleanest actually. Big old spoiler here. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. This was Connor's Car Show. My arm's really tired from holding that camera all day, but I hope you enjoy. There's amazing cars here. Let me know what your favorite was in the comments below. And if you want to come to this show, I'll put a link on their website. What else? What else should I say? Thank you, Mom, and have a good day, everyone. Shout out to Evan. I'm tired and hungry and thirsty, and I don't have any money. Otherwise, I'd have bought some crawfish. You thought your car was small, you're wrong. Color pattern's great.